this time we'll come up to the front and hold, 2, 3, out, 2, 3, down, 2, 3, up, 2, 3, around, 2, 3, down, 2, 3. Second time, up and out, 2, 3, and down, and up, 2, 3, and front, and down, 2, 3, up, and out, and down, and up, and around the front, and down, and 4, and out, 2, 3, down, and up, and front, and down, and 5, and around the side, and come back down, and up, and around the front, and come back down. 6, go up, and around, and down, and up, and around, and down. And 7, up, and around, and down, and up, and around, and down. 8, up, and around, and down, and up, to the front, and down. 9, up, and out, and down, and up, and in, and down, and last one, up, and out, and down, and up, and in, and down. 1, up to the front, and out to the side, and bring it down, and up to the side, and out to the front, and bring it down. 2, up front, and out to the side, and down, and up to the front, and down, and up, and out, and down, and up, and in, and down, and I think, was that 3 or 4? We'll call this 3, and out, and down. We might be getting an extra 1, and up, and in, and down. 4, up, out, and down, and up, in, and down. 5, up, and out, and down, and up to the side, and in, and down, and 6, up, to the side, bring it down, and up to the side, bring it in, and down. 7, up, to the side, and down, and up, bring it in, and down. 8, up, side, down, and up, and in, and down. And 9, up, and out, down. And last one, make it strong, up and out and down and up. Last one, look, oh, last part, up and in, and down. Oh my goodness. So right arm up, left arm down, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So you're making your L here, and we'll go back to then front and close, and make sure your elbows touch if your girls aren't in your way. And then go back to, and then come together to the front and hold, and back to, and come together to the front and hold, to, and back to, and front and hold, to, and back to, and come around to the front and hold, to, and back to, and come around to the front and hold, to, and back to, and come around to the front and hold, to, and back to, and come around to the front and hold, to, and 4 more to the back, to, come around to the front and hold, to, and to the back, to, and come to the front and hold, to the back, to, come to the front and hold, to, and last one, back, to, and to the front and hold, to, and release. Do the reverse, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Woo!